Have you ever finished a drawing and you figure out that it is not the way you wanted it to be? Don't worry, it is not your technique. So, what I'm about to do, I'm about to show you the most underrated skill that nobody usually talks about, which is observation. I know what you might be thinking. Luciano XI, what the hell are you talking about? Stay with me, stay with me, stay with me, okay? Think about it this way. You get told every day or every time if you watch certain types of learning videos on how to draw, you're always told practice your anatomy. You must do this. Practice your shapes. You must do that. Practice your perspective. Practice this. Draw every day. True, you could do that, or you could simply use the skill of observation. Now, you might be also asking yourself, how the hell could you use this skill of observation? Well, let me clarify. Some might find it like an obvious thing because it literally happens anytime when you learn, right? Sure, but in art, it can help you build your visual library and you can understand how things actually work. Like, for instance, take me for example. I have been drawing for quite a long time now. I don't quite remember when I started, but what I know is I was 7 when I started drawing. But over every time I drew, I kept practicing the way I usually do, like the traditional way of practicing, which is like a pencil and paper, start drawing stuff and stuff like that. Eventually you get good. It does help. Trust me, it does help. I'm not saying abandon it, okay? I'm saying it does help. But over time, after I've started using the skill of observation, the way I've started drawing became more easier for me. This skill literally helps you turn practice into a type of fun thing, you know? I'm not sure if I'm making sense with what I'm trying to say, but what I'm trying to say is that if you could use your skill of observation, like let's say you go into YouTube, you start watching a video on how to draw more, like a bunch of times, okay, and you start picking up on stuff, and with that information you have learned basically from literally watching what you see, or when you like read a manga and you see this type of art and the things you see in it, everything like that, okay? What I'm trying to say is, what you see and what you observe, I want you to try and build a visual library. That way you can keep that information in your head, and next time when you draw, you can try to apply that knowledge, the things you've gathered from the videos on YouTube that you watched and the manga that you read or any type of art that you've seen, and try to apply that knowledge that you have gathered into the page. Trust me, you will not regret it. I'm not saying you shouldn't practice though, drawing some things here and there, but if you practice constantly, like every day you set a schedule to like practice drawing, trust me, as an artist, you will be turning drawing into homework. And nobody likes homework. Nobody likes homework. Okay? So in order to keep art fun, try to use the skill of observation. Okay? Try to build a visual library to yourself so that you can apply all the knowledge from the things you consume on a daily basis into your canvas, into your sketchbook, into anything. If I were to take my sketchbook for example, I have 3 types of drawings that I could show you, and I might display them on the screen right now. If you could see the difference, on these 3, the one with Kazuya and with his ripped top and lightning powers all over, that was my first drawing. When? I don't remember. But if you see the one in the middle, this is where it has Kai. They are all my MCs. Okay, this one has Kai, which has more details and more everything like that. The things it's gonna get it like it kind of has more detail, okay? Kind of has more detail. And if you check the last one, which is as my other MC, Tetsu, he has more detail than the rest of the other 2. And the thing is, I didn't practice. I didn't like take pencil and paper and started like practicing to get these details. No, the only thing I've been doing for the past time, I've been watching videos like white manga, drawing like a sir, or any type of drawing content that I could consume. I've also been reading manga that can help me in the long run when I'm busy referencing some manga pages that I can be doing. You see, having good reference can help you in the long run when you want to know how to draw some certain backgrounds here and there. And another thing about me is that using this skill of observation, one thing has happened to me. I haven't been drawing that much, okay? Every time I feel like I want to draw, I literally put pen on paper. Like if you could take these three images that I shown you just now, all of them I drew because I was bored, okay? I was bored.
You what?
I don't usually wake up every day, or when I have time during the day, I pick up my pencil and start drawing. No, I don't do that. The usual time I pick up my pencil and draw is for like when I do a short for here on YouTube. But other than that, in general, I don't draw at all.
What? What?
Okay? And for my manga, what I simply do is I consume a lot of manga content. So what I do is I watch those videos, trying to pick up some things here and there and trying to expand my visual library. That way I have more information than I originally had before. Then I apply that knowledge into my manga pages, and with that I have more solid type pages and more knowledge of what I'm trying to draw. I hope I'm making sense. I hope we're all following here. So yeah. So what I could say is observation can happen literally anywhere. But in art, it helps you build a visual library and help you understand how things work. You may not realize that you are practicing, but it can help influence your ability later when you draw. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys. I hope you understood through this whole process of observation, and I hope this video was very much helpful. If it was, please make sure you leave a like on this video, and also answer me this: how was your day? Mine was pretty good so far. And yeah, share with anyone who might seem to like be struggling with drawing or in general. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys next time. So, and I'm out.